everybody. We are sitting right now in Vermont camper van. It was a custom built for our dear clients. So I want to ask you, how do you like the van, and are you happy with the setup that you asked us to build? How does it work for you?
Absolutely. We love it.
Yeah.
It works great. We love the storage and how open everything is, and it just feels so homey.
Okay.
I love the kitchen. This
okay.
kitchen is amazing. Just the countertop space, and I just had everything spread out, and I was just in heaven, like making our dinner and our lunches, and it was just so easy.
Our last kitchen space was this big.
It was smaller than
It's probably smaller than this. That was our last kitchen space.
But that was a long van, no?
It was a long van.
Yeah, and one of the other big changes for us has been going to this, having the elevator bed and being able to sleep more and be able to drive it more, because we want to travel with our grandchildren, so our needs changed. And we did do a lot of looking around and searching, and Big Bear just seemed to be the ones that really adapted to more than two travelers.
Yeah.
And we're like, okay, this is what you do, is more than two travelers is kind of like a specialty in itself. And that's why we decided to kind of pursue, working with you folks.
And your crew is amazing.
Yeah.
Just really super helpful.
Yeah, they've been great.
It really helps us to feel so comfortable.
Yeah.
We're like a small family.
It is, I can tell.
But the staff here have been so accommodating and so able to support us, in working with and learning the systems.
And the way you were able to make changes, on the fly, can we adapt it to this way or that way? And you're like, let's try it.
Yep.
And that works.
Yeah, so we are more family oriented kind
And that's
of
why we
company.
picked you.
Yeah, thank you very much.
So I love, this has become like a giant medicine cabinet almost. Like for all of our toiletries and all of our towels and things. So it just holds everything, and I use the extra mirrors that you gave me so I can suction cup a magnifying mirror in there so I can see. And then it's perfect because I'm here, and then here's the sink. So it's like brush your teeth. It works perfect. And then the bathroom, ta-da! Just a shower and the toilet, and it works perfect. Like, this is so much storage. There's pots and pans down here, cleaning supplies, the garbage are in here. But again, I haven't put all my oils or different things in here yet. It's gonna be great. It is great. Yeah, I love the little hanging storage compartment. We can hide some toys in there. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.